Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Epson L3560 printer driver. So open any browser to search in the Google search box like that. After that you can see this is the first URL, just click on it. Scroll down, click on driver. Now you can see the Windows printer driver and click to download. Scroll down, I agree, and then click to download. So it will start downloading. It will take some time and depend about your internet speed. Then it is completed, just single click to open. Then yes. Now this is extracting data to your system for the installations. So if your default and if your automatic updates or check it, then click to OK. Then click to OK. After that agree, and again OK. Now checking currently driver installations. So on your printer and connect to USB first and LAN also. Printer USB cable. Then guys, there are two way to install, first network and second USB. So if you want to install, so connect the LAN cable to your printer and after that click search. So select this search the printer if you don't know IP address and subnet. If you don't know, select this, and if you know, so enter the IP address 192, that what's your IP of your printer. Okay, then okay. After that click to search. It will detect and scan your printer IP, and then it will show, and then next to install. Okay, then second USB. So USB you have to connect to your printer to desktop laptop, then next to install, and then restart. Both method completed, then check it. Thank you.